So over here, you can see that I have this Python programming code right here. And if I were to go ahead and hit the run button, then the program does not actually run. So there is a syntax error right here. But let's say what I want to do is I want to correct this error, but I don't know what it is. Then I can simply go ahead and press Ctrl C to copy out this particular code. And then I can go into DeepSeek right here and paste that code right here. And simply type in the prompt right here, like debug this code. And then once I go around and hit send, then what happens is that it'll analyze the code right here, and it says the code that you provided has a small syntax error in print. And then especially the sum function, so it corrected out the code for me. So now if I were to go ahead and copy and then go around over here onto the Python compiler and paste it out and now try to run this, you can see that it actually runs the program now. So it says input number 1. So let's just go ahead and press enter, number 2, and then there you go. The program is up and running. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the DeepSeek AI to go ahead and then correct out programming codes and debug programming codes as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.